In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and control your advertising spend in Google Ads. This process is relatively simple, but it's crucial for maintaining a clear understanding of where your marketing budget is going and ensuring that you get the most out of your advertising efforts. Let's dive in step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is your central hub for all things related to Google advertising, where you can manage your campaigns, budgets, and more. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your account credentials, so make sure you have those handy. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads home. This main dashboard is where all of your active campaigns and account information will be displayed. Now let's focus on the area where you can get insights into your spending. On the left hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for and click on Campaigns. This section provides a detailed view of each of your advertising efforts, including performance metrics and your budget allocation. Click through and you'll see a list of your current campaigns. Inside the Campaign section, your next point of action is to click on the Budget tab. This is where you'll gain visibility into the financial aspects of your campaigns. If you're managing multiple campaigns, you can see how much money is allocated to each one and assess whether your spend aligns with your advertising goals. This helps in determining if you're on track with your investment or if adjustments are needed to optimize performance. Once you are in the budget section, examine the numbers presented for each campaign. You should see columns that denote daily and total spend, as well as remaining budgets. Pay attention to these figures and cross-check them with your advertising plan to ensure everything is aligned with your business strategy. Lastly, remember that keeping a close eye on these numbers isn't just about monitoring, it's about taking proactive steps to adjust and optimize. Maybe you notice one campaign is over-delivering in terms of clicks or conversions. You might want to reallocate funds from underperforming campaigns to make the most of what's working. Likewise, if you find a campaign isn't giving the expected returns, consider making changes to your ads or keywords rather than slashing the budget immediately. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to manage your advertising spend within Google Ads, making sure every dollar counts towards achieving your business objectives. Keep exploring and adjusting your strategies as you go, and you'll likely see an improvement in how much you're able to accomplish with your marketing budget. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on optimizing your digital marketing efforts.